Going on, YouTube? We back. Broke down again. Man, we got this son going to work. And again, I think this car don't like my job. But it's joking, I broke down again already. Finna head home. All I smell is fuel. So I look. Man, I got a puddle of gas right here. I look. Damn line done blew. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how I can get a new one. That's actually piece I found. I'm trying to just stick on here to make my way home. I tossed the other piece. I don't know, it had some holes. Another bonehead mistake by me not changing that line out, but I'm gonna try to get it off the fuel pump down here so I can actually squeeze that up. But right now it ain't going, so. Man, I dropped my phone, but I had that fuel line, it was off right here. So got it back on. We're gonna fire it up. This is actually a piece, like I said, a replacement line that I had to cut off just so I could try to make it to the house. I gotta clean up all this gas. Hopefully everything work out. So I need to get back to the house. I gotta go work out tonight, hit the gym. So one thing is another with these old cars, man. But hoping that's it. Hoping that's just all it is right there. Man. There we go. It's alive again. Ooh, she smoked out the block. But, man, I wound up cutting my exhaust tips off because it looked like trash and it was hitting the floor. So them is gone. But I'm gonna have to I got some spots that's hit that I'm gonna have to like insulate with some rubber real thick that's bouncing off the floor that nothing I can really do with. So let me check to see. That fuel leak is gone. You know what I'm saying? No more fuel line leak. That's gonna be the patch to get me home. I'm gonna go ahead and actually buy some more line. I don't like the way that shut. Let me shut that thing. I actually got some 3/8 line at the house anyway. I'm gonna just replace it with once I get home. But just the problem we run into with these little cars. That a little bit better. Y'all see, I cut the exhaust off, so it's not hitting the floor here anymore. But there's some other spots under the car is hitting. I need to get fixed. Sorry about that, man. Dropped the phone again, but we back up. Car running good. Hopefully we make it to the house because, man, I tell y'all what, if it ain't one thing, it's another with this car. I think this car don't want me to win. It may be cursed. I have no idea. But we got that piece of fuel line put back on. So I think that's just gonna be my temporary fix. I got some good stuff at home. We're gonna get that put on. Then we're gonna actually just, man, I'm gonna go through. I went through every hose in the cooling system. I think I'm about to go through every hose period on this car. I got all my tank hoses have been replaced at my fuel tank, minus one. I think I gotta get it because I ran out, so I'm gonna get it replaced, and then I'm gonna get the rest of the fuel line hoses replaced up top. I want every piece. All my vacuum hoses are replaced, so I need to replace every piece of hose on this car, period, because I'm not trying to have any more issues. Man, that was terrible. I literally got to work and it was fine. I went out to leave and there's something leaking on the ground. I look, fire it up, it ain't cooling, it's gas. So it's just one of those deals. But overall, y'all look at the headline on this car. The headline is phenomenal in this car. Everything is all there. The only thing I hate right now is I can't roll my windows down. But I'm not gonna really worry about that anyway too much because I'm actually about to get my AC running in here. Do the new compressor on, it's got the new orifice, the new dryer. Everything is in there, so we pretty much just gonna suck it down, charge it up, and see what happens. We'll replace the blower as well. Blower and the resistor too, those gonna get replaced. And then I got the heater control valve. It's got a small leak to it, only when you command the heater on. So what I need to do is, I think when that valve opens, it starts leaking out of the back. So what I need to do is get that replaced. Then I'll be able to run through the heater and the AC at the same time. That's my plan. Hopefully it all goes as planned. Because right now, man, I'm getting to like the ending stages of getting this car where I need it to be. It's actually running, driving, brakes are good, tune-up's good. Everything is touched up under the engine. We detailed it up a little bit today, cleaned up a bunch of the grime and grease out of that. We'll show y'all that when we get to the house. So, but now I'm finna enjoy this ride to the house. We'll get back to the house and kind of show y'all what happened and what we're gonna do going forward with the rest of the stuff. Got the thing home. Yeah, out here enjoying the little weather, you know. Nice weather again after it was like 20 yesterday. But check this out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replace that right there with some actual fuel hose. But that was just, I ain't gonna cap to you, that was an old air hose I had at work that I had to use just to get home, so I cut it. Got it to work so we can get back home. I'm gonna have to soon, one of these days, get this so I can get motor mounts put in it. I may have one of my guys do that, man, but here, put some motor mounts in here. I really don't feel like messing with it. I may do that, but made it home, and I've been trying to clean up all this wiring, tape it all off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that conduit over, probably gray. That way it'll all match gray, everything will be gray, black. I just gotta finish wrapping everything up. I cut out some of the old stuff like the small connectors, all that stuff out. Everything's starting to come together, but I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. You can see if it'll still diesel when I shut it down. No diesel in the day. I had somebody mention that just put better gas in there, so that's what I did. I put better gas in it, and it actually stopped dieseling. But what happened is, right here, I'll show y'all if I can get under here and show y'all what I'm talking about. Right here, I cut the exhaust off. Y'all see it's hitting right there too. So I'm gonna have to massage that out of the way. But what I wanna do is just put like some rubber hose around and just kind of move it out of the way. Or just probably just cut some of the corner off of that space right there to where it'll be good. But yeah, I went ahead and hacked these off today because I was tired of them hitting the floor. Finished cleaning all that up. Should be pretty much in the game at that point. Just the small stuff now. I seen 87 SS Boy channel. They got I always watch his channel for the G-body stuff, but he got some spark plug wire little connections, so I want to get those out the way. And once I get those to route my wires up, that should be good. Everything coming together. I'm gonna replace this fuel filter. I got like 6 of them because I knew it was gonna be dirty running the stuff out of the line. So we'll get that replaced with a new one, and then we won't have to worry about it pumping that nasty fuel. Y'all see everything together. Wheels are on. Gotta get this back side down because that is way too tall. So y'all stay with it. Tail lights, first lights. We got all the chrome trim for the bumper, but that ain't going in until we get it painted. Hail dents everywhere, but that ain't a big deal. My paint guy said that ain't a big deal. So we made it home. Car didn't quit on me. Finally, we made it. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna keep on this journey. See y'all in the next video.